What if I told you $50 could be the beginning of financial freedom? No, not a side hustle, not crypto gambling, not a scam. Just smart investing, starting right now. Millennials and Gen Z face a unique storm: rising costs, unstable jobs, and a retirement system that's, let's be honest, dying. And yet, you have something Wall Street can't sell you: time. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn even a tiny amount, like $50, into your greatest advantage. This isn't about luck. It's about a formula. One that 99% of people your age are sleeping on. ACT 1. The problem. Why most people stay broke. 1. The myth of "I'll start later." Let's get this out of the way. Waiting doesn't save you money. It costs you thousands. Waiting until you're ready is the most expensive lie you'll ever believe. 2. The psychology of scarcity. Ever felt like no matter what you earn, it disappears? That's not just spending. That's mental programming. When you get paid and your bank account says available $37.42 2 days later, you don't need a raise. You need a plan. Living paycheck to paycheck isn't just hard. It's dangerous. One emergency, and you're in debt for months. 3. Inflation, the silent enemy. In 2003, a McChicken was 99 cents. Today, $2.49. That's not just lunch. That's your dollar shrinking. If you're not investing, you're not just standing still. You're moving backwards. Act 2. The plan. What to do with $50 for. Step 1. Separate before you spend. Before you pay bills, before Netflix, before anything, pull out your $50. Think of it like a tax on your future self, except this time, you get the refund. 5. Where to put it. The investment starter pack. Here's your no BS starter portfolio strategy for small investors. Robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront low-cost index funds, like VTI or SPY, fractional shares through apps like Fidelity or M1, finance a Roth IRA if you're eligible, tax-free growth, baby. No, you don't need a stockbroker named Chad whispering market secrets. You need an app and a habit. The 70-20-10 rule for beginners. Here's a simple budgeting framework to follow when you're getting started. 70%, essentials, rent, food. 20%, investing, saving. 10%, guilt-free fun. No shame in spending on fun, but fun won't buy you freedom at 40. 7. Micro-investing, the gateway drug to wealth. Apps like Acorns round up your change and invest it. You spend $3.75 on coffee, they invest the 25 cents. It's painless, it's passive, it works. And in a moment, I'll reveal how $5 a day adds up to 6 figures, even if you never increase it. 8. The 5-year freedom plan. Let's get serious. What if your next 5 years could unlock your dream lifestyle? Year 1. Build habit. Year 2. Raise contribution. Year 3. Eliminate bad debt. Year 4. Grow passive income. Year 5. Choose freedom. The next 5 years are happening either way. Will you own stock or just own stuff? ACT 3. The mindset. Becoming the investor. 9. You don't need permission to start. You don't need a finance degree. You don't need 10K. You need to decide that you won't be average. Everyone on social media is rich. But real wealth? It's quiet. It's consistent. It's boring. And it wins. 10. Rewiring your identity. You are not bad with money. You've just never been shown how to use it as a tool. Start calling yourself an investor, even if it's just $50, especially if it's just $50. When you invest in the market, you're really investing in yourself, in your discipline, in your vision, in your future. 11. The investor's edge. Time. Here's the final, most powerful truth. $50 invested at 22 can become more than $100,000 by 60. And that's without ever increasing your contribution. Your real advantage isn't money, it's time. And every month you wait, you lose a piece of it. You've just learned how to begin investing in your 20s, even with almost nothing. And now you know, starting small isn't a weakness, it's your superpower. If you're serious about building wealth, your next step is learning how time and compounding turn pennies into power. Click the video on screen right now and unlock the truth about compounding, the silent millionaire maker.